Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Source is within you. Have the courage to step forth boldly despite the opposition turning your way. Have the persistence to move forward despite the shackles beneath your feet. And when everything tells you, just give in, persevere, claim it yours, for the divine is within you, orchestrating it all in your favor, for your ultimate best and happiness. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful, and I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe that God, the universe, whatever you want to call it, dwells inside you. I believe whatever you truly want will manifest. So that's why you gotta, I believe, calm down, bring down your vibrations. Imagine where you want to be. Imagine it's there now. It will come to pass. Just follow the doors that open. Don't force things. Don't believe that it has to be a certain way. Leave that to the universe. Let go. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.